Hello student, I hope you are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today I will tell you the exercise 1.2. Before solving this exercise, we need to understand some fact associated with exercise 1.2. Let us see finite and infinite set. We have given three examples, set A, B and set C. Set A is a set of first five natural numbers. Set B is the set of the small letter of English alphabet A, B, C, D, E, comma G, and set C equal to man living presently in different part of the world. Right? Since number of element of set A are fixed, which is 5 denoted by n equal to 5, number of element of set B is also fixed, which is 6 in number denoted by nb equal to 6, and number of element of C are not fixed. So it may be man living presently in a different part of the world, may be any natural number, and set of natural number is a infinite set. Right? Now come to the definition. A set which is empty or consists of a finite number of element called finite, otherwise that is called infinite. Right? Consider some example. Number first, let W be the set of the day of the week. Then W is the finite because there are 7 days in a week. The second one, let S be the set of solution of the equation x square minus 16 equal to 0. Then S is a finite. Third one, let G be the set of points on a line. Then G is a infinite. There are many set of point on a line. When we represent a set in the roster form, we write all element of the set within a curly bracket known as the braces. It is not possible to write all element of an infinite set within the curly brackets because the number of element of such a set is not finite. So we represent some infinite set in the roster form by writing a few elements which clearly indicate the structure of the set followed or proceeded by three dots. For example, set of all natural number may be written as 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. Is the set of natural number 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7 is the set of odd natural number. Okay. Dash 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dash 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 is the set of integer. All these set are infinite, right? Because their elements are not limited. Note, all infinite set cannot be described in the roster form. For example, the set of real number cannot be described in this form because the element of this set do not follow any particular pattern, right? Example 6. State which of the following set are finite or infinite, right? The first set which is given in the builder form, x such that x belong to n, x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. At first, I will I will solve this one. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So it means the set having only two element 1 and 2, which is finite. Okay, in the second one, in the second part, it is given that x belong to natural number and x square equal to 4. X square equal to 4 means x square equal to 4 and x equal to plus minus 2. But we have given x belong to a natural number, so there is only a single element 2, which is a singleton set, and also is a finite set. The third one, x belong to natural number, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 2x, since 2x minus 1 equal to 0 in the third part, and x equal to 1 by 2, right? But we have given x belong to natural number and we are getting x equal to 1 by 2. It indicates that it is a empty set, right? And denoted by phi. As we know that empty set also a finite set. So it is finite. Now come to the fourth one. X belong to natural number and x is prime. X belong to natural number and x is prime. Okay, since the first prime number is 2, as we know that such number which are divisible by itself and 1 is called prime. So there are many such number which we cannot count, so such type of number, such set is called infinite set. The fifth one, x belong to natural number and x is odd. Natural number, odd natural number, because there are many odd natural number like as 1, 3, 5, dash, 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 means many odd natural number. So therefore it is also a infinite set, right? Okay. Now come to the next point, equal set. Equal set. Given two set A and B, if every element of A is also an element of B, and if every element of B is also an element of A, then set A and B are said to be equal. Clearly, two sets have exactly the same element. This is very important point. Two sets have exactly the same element, right? Okay, two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element. We write A equal to B. Otherwise, the set are said to be unequal and we write A does not equal to B, right? Okay, we consider the following example. Let A is a set of first four natural number and B is a set of also first four natural number, but they are written in different order in the inside the set. Okay, then A equal to B, right? Since both set A and B having same element. Second, let A be the set of prime number less than 6 and B the set of prime factor of 30. Then A and B are equal since 2, 3 and 5 are the only prime factor of 30, right? And also these are less than 6. So both are equal set. Note, a set does not change. A set does not change if one or more element of the set are repeated. Right? For example, set A having the element 1, 2, 3. Set B having the element 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. Both are equal set. Since each element of A in B, A in A is in B and vice versa. this. That is why we generally do not repeat element in describing a set. Right? Now come to the example number 7. Find the pair of equal set if any give reason. Okay. Set A, set B, set C and set D and set E. Since 0 belong to set A and 0 does not belong to any other set B, C, D. Set B is B is the element of set which are less than 5 and greater than 15, right? Okay, set C is a set C is a set C is the element of a singleton set, a singleton element of 5. D x square equal to 25 and x equal to plus minus 5. E x z x is an integer positive roots of the equation. You will find out the element after factorizing this quadratic equation. Okay, since 0 doesn't belong to any other set, so A not equal to B, A not equal to C, A not equal to D, A not equal to E. Since B equal to 5, there is no such element possible which is greater than 15 and less than 5. So B is a empty set. So B, but none of the other set are empty. Therefore B not equal to C, B not equal to D, and B doesn't equal to E. Also C is a singleton set of 5, but minus 5 belong to D. Here C doesn't equal to D. Since E equal to a set having only one element 5 and C and E are equal. For the D equal to the set of element minus 5 and E equal to 5, we find that D not equal to E. Thus the only pair of equal set is C and E, right? Okay, same way you can solve the example number 8. Now let us see how to solve exercise 1.2. First question, which of the following are examples of null set? Right? Set having no element inside a curly bracket is called null set. First question, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Okay, is there any such set possible? My dear student, no any such odd natural numbers are there which is divisible by 2. So the first one is a null set. Okay. Second one's set of even prime number. Set of even prime number. Okay. Okay. Since 2 is only a such number which is even and prime. So this is a singleton set which is not an empty set. Okay. Now third one, x such that x is a natural number less than 5 and greater than 7. There is no any such condition for a natural number which is less than 5, which will be less than 5 and greater than 7. So it is also a null set. Also a null set. Now come to the next one. Fourth one. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel line. Common to any two parallel line. As we know that there is no any point possible which is parallel to any two, okay, a point a point common to any two parallel line. As we know that if two lines are parallel, there will not be any common point, right? So it is also a null set. Next one, question number second, which of the following set are finite or infinite? As we know that we have understand by help of example, set having the limited element are finite and non-limited unlimited element are infinite. Set of month of the year, because month of the year having a finite number of elements, so it is a set. Second one, is a infinite because 1 2 3 dividers, this is a set of natural number which is infinite set. And third one is a finite set because it have 1 to 100 natural number. The fourth one, the set of positive integer greater than 100. Set of positive integer greater than 100 means 101, 102, 103, 104, so on. This is infinite set. And fifth one, the set of prime number less than 99. Set of prime number less than 99 is a finite set, right? Less than 99 prime number, first prime number 2 and the last natural number according to this problem less than 99 is 97, right? Okay, next one. Now come to the question number third. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The first one, the set of line which are parallel to the x-axis. There are infinite lines possible which are parallel to the x-axis. Infinite number of line are exist. So it is a infinite set. Second one, the set of letter in English alphabet. The set of the letter in the English alphabet are fixed, which are A to Z. So it is a finite set. Next one, the set of the number which are multiple of 5. There are infinite number which are multiple of 5, which are 5 in the table of 5, right? Infinite. So it is a infinite. The third one is a infinite set. Fourth one, the set of animal living on the earth. Because scientifically it is clarified that set of animal living on the earth are finite. So it is a finite set. Fifth one, the set of circle passing through the origin. The set of the circle passing through the origin. Let us see. Set of the circle passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. There are infinite number of circle possible which will pass through the origin. So this is a infinite set, right? Okay. Now come to the fourth question. In the following state whether A equal to B or not. Means if two set having same element is called a equal set. In first part, set A having ABCD, element ABCD, and set B also having element ABCD. So the first part, for the first part, A equal to B. Okay. For the second one, set A having the element 4, 8, 12, 16. Set B having the element 4, 8, 18, 16. 16, 18. So for the second part, A not equal to B for the second one. Now come to the third one. Set A having the element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set B having the element x such that x is a positive even integer less than less than equal to 10. Positive even integer less than equal to 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Means set B having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set A having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So therefore in the third part A equal to B. A equal to B for third part. Now come to the fourth one. In the fourth one, A equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10 and B equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 that is. Means multiple of 10 means since 15 is not a multiple of 10, right? Right? And set B having some additional element 15, 25, right, 35 which are not in the table of 10. Hence for the fourth part A doesn't equal to B. It doesn't equal to B for the fourth one. Now come to the question number 5. Okay. Are the following pair of set equal? Give the reason. Okay. Set A having the element 2 and 3. You will find out the element of set B after factorizing x square plus 5x plus 6. Let us see. After factorizing this, you will find out x square plus 3 to just 6, 3x plus 2x plus 6, x plus 3 plus 2, x plus 3 equal to 0. After solving this one, you will get x equal to minus 2 comma minus 3, right? Minus 2 comma minus 3. So therefore set A and B are not equal. Since element of A are 2 comma 3, element of set B are minus 2 comma minus 3. Second one, set A equal to x such that x is the letter in the word follow. Okay, letter in the word follow. You can write this set into roster form like h. A equal to letter of the word follow F comma O comma L comma W. F O L W, right? Set B letter of the word W O L F means W comma O comma L comma F, right? W comma O comma L comma F. So the both set having same number of element, hence set A equal to set B for the second one. Now come to the question number 6. From the set given below, let select equal set, right? Let us see. Element of set A are 2, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12, right? So A will not be equal to any set. Now check the set B. Element of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4 and any 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore set B and D seem to be equal. B equal to D. Now check for C. 4, 8, 12, 14. Any set having the same element 4, 8, 12, 14. No any other set having the same element 4, 8, 12, 14. So C will not equal to any set. Now we have checked for D. E element of the E are minus 1 and 0. Sorry, minus 1 and 1. No any. Okay. G also a set which having the element minus 1 and 1. So E equal to G. Set E equal to G. Now check for F. Set F having element 0 and A. Any other set which have same element? No. So f will not equal to any set, right? Okay. So thank you very much, my dear student. I hope you'll understand these questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.